So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be reviewing Joanna K lipstick in the shade Boss. So as we all know that she recently launched more lip shades, 5 more shades in Joanna K Cosmetics. So don't forget to check her out on Instagram and also on YouTube at Joanna K. I really love the packaging, guys. So it looks like a big bag, but she has like folded it, and it looks so cute, by the way. So it looks like a little bag, like so cute. I really love this. So yeah, let's get opening and see what's in there. So guys, it turns out that I was right. Yeah, so it's a big bag that was folded so nicely into a small bag, and inside the packaging we have one lipstick. Yeah, so I ordered, so that's how the lipstick comes in. Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Boss, you can see it there. So yeah, let's get in there. I'm so excited. So guys, after opening, that's how the lipstick looks like. Ooh, my lighting is not even doing justice to this lipstick here, but you will see it even so much better when I put it on. Yeah, it looks so good. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how the Joanna K Cosmetics Boss lipstick looks on my skin tone or on people of my skin color. So with me here I have the Boss lipstick. Looks like that. The packaging is pretty much the same like the other her other lipsticks. So guys, first of all, when I look at this lipstick, the first thing that comes into my mind is like it's so bright. Let me show you a comparison of other lipstick, which is unapologetic, so that you can see the difference. So this is unapologetic Joanna's lipstick, the red shade. So you can see the difference. This unapologetic has a deeper tone than this other one. So if you are a bright lipstick kind of girl, I think both suit you so much. Plus, it's a lipstick when you enter somewhere, like it screams like, yo, I'm here, ndio nimefika. So if you're not afraid of attention, it's your lipstick. So let's see. So guys, another thing that I've always loved about Joanna's lipsticks, and I'm talking about all her other lipsticks that I've used before, is the fact that they're so creamy, yet they dry matte, and you do not feel like you have paint on your lips. You know, some other lipsticks that you put on, your lips crack and you just feel like your lips are so dry. This is the exact opposite. They are so creamy, like you can see, and after a few seconds they're going to dry matte and soft. I don't know if you're getting it. Like, you do not actually feel like you have lipstick on your lips. I can testify to that. Yeah, and I'm not even kidding, guys. For real. So guys, this is how the lipstick looks on me after I wear it, and this is how it's gonna look on you if you're my skin tone. And I really love it. The red screams like, yeah. I've always told you I'm a red lipstick kind of girl, so any red, bring it on. So now I'm gonna do kiss proof so that you can see if it's going to transfer. So as you can see, there is no transfer, like at all. So now I'm going to use a white tissue so that I'm going to place my lips here so that you can see if it's going to transfer on a white material. Nothing. Let me try this other side. Where show me, nothing. So congratulations, Joanna, on the launch of the new products and also the previous ones. Continue doing you, continue smashing your goals. You're such a pace setter for most of us out here, and so many people are looking up to you, girl. So congrats. So guys, with no further ado, guys, go to her page, support that girl, buy her products. I will leave her links down below, both the YouTube channel and Instagram page, so that you can purchase this lipstick and many more. She has like a whole variety of lipsticks. So that will be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscription button below and see you in my next one. Bye.